Hello, good morning. Now I'm trying to show you how to play Dinosaur Stomp. This song should be played slow and heavy, but I will underline slow. Why? Because we are learning how to press between accent and normal play. While you're playing accent, I need you to imagine that your fingers are extremely heavy, just like a dinosaur foot. Okay, so when it's stomp, it takes longer to lift. Okay, while normal play will like 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, but while you playing accent you should be 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, you're not holding for two counts, but you're holding for the full extent of the count of 1 2 3 4, 1 2, while you're playing normal 1 2 3 4. It's light, but it's not staccato. Okay, we're not stamping. While playing normal, we play just as normal, not very brief like staccato, but we play normal. But while we are playing accent, we're playing as long as possible on that count. 1 2 3 4, 1 2. It's almost like playing a slur, but on a single note. Okay, now I'm using the tempo. My tempo is 80 for the metronome. Okay, so here it goes.
On.
Okay, so just play slow like this. The tempo is 80. Okay, 3 4. Line 2. Normal. Accent, normal.
Off.
Okay, so as you can see, when I play both hands starting from line 3, you might hear and see the difference between. Okay, so the right hand is brief, but careful not to be snappy like staccato. Just play normally and lightly. Okay, while the left hand is heavy, the right is light. Can you see the difference? Can you hear the difference? So this one is long, but this one is normal, easily lifted up. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 1 2. See, the right is light. Heavy. Okay. Now, if you're having trouble in activating the transpose feature, you may play as usual, no transpose required. You can play on the highest note, so you can reach the bottom octave on the very last note. But if you can activate the transpose -12, that will be better. Okay, have a nice time practicing. See ya.